Hey everyone, in this video we will solve one of the classic LeetCode problems, Pascal's Triangle using C Sharp. Whether you are preparing for interviews or strengthening problem solving skills, this one is a must know. The task is given a number, numRows, returns the first numRows of Pascal's Triangle. In Pascal's Triangle, each number is the sum of two numbers directly above it. For example, with numRows equal to 5, the output look like this. We starts with 1. Then every new row starts and ends with 1. Middle values are sum of two numbers from the row above. Let's build this logic step by step. What is Pascal's triangle? It starts with 1 at the top. Each row starts and ends with 1. The number in between are sum of two numbers directly above it from the previous row. We are writing a method called generate that takes one input, that is number of rows, and this method returns list because each row is list of numbers. We create a list called triangle that will hold all the rows of the triangle. We use for loop to go row by row. So for 5 rows, this will run 5 times. I is the current row number. Inside the loop, we make a new list called row. This will store the number of current row. Now we use another loop to fill the current row. For now 0 it runs once, and for row 1 it runs twice, and so on. If it is the first or last number in the row, we just add 1 because in Pascal's triangle all the rows starts and ends with 1. Else we add the sum of two numbers from the previous row, one from the left and one from the right. That's how we get the middle numbers like 2, 3, 6, etc. Now that the row is complete, we add it into the triangle. Finally, we return the complete triangle. I have copied the same code into Visual Studio Code. Let's run this. Go to terminal, new terminal, and provide the command to run this. Let's click on enter. There you go. We are getting the output as we are expecting in the form of Pascal pattern, right? See, these are the outputs that we are getting. Hope this topic is clear. See you in the next video. Happy coding. This channel is my small step towards achieving something big, to share the useful tech knowledge with clarity and simplicity. If you find value here, a like or subscribe really motivates me to keep going.